We do. Afternoon storms will work from the western side of the peninsula back towards the eastern side with that front to the north. The flow is going to direct traffic from the southwest to the northeast. And I'll break that down for you.
Please do.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, let me take you back outside. It's a nice quiet night tonight. It was pretty active a couple of hours ago, but thankfully things have simmered on down. Most of us tonight are in the 70s. There are one or two locations in neighborhoods like Kissimmee. That's right around the 80-degree mark. We take a look at live radar tonight. You can see things are fairly quiet, which is some good news. Rainfall today, Port Orange, over 2 inches of rain. Even Ormond Beach, over 1.25 inches of rain. Out the door tomorrow morning, we're going to be in pretty good shape. Just a few clouds up to the north. A good start to the day beach-wise. If you're going to head to the coast, just watch the storms, though, late in the day. Overnight low temperatures tonight ranging from about 71 inland to about 77 back towards the coast. All right, let's take a look now at Futurecast here. You can see there's the noon hour. You see the first signs of some trouble north and west of Marion County. Get the heating, the instability going. The showers and the storms head back towards the eastern side of the peninsula just in time for the evening rush hour commute. So we'll have to watch that just like we did this evening. And you can see lingering here through about 9-10 o'clock and then fading on out. Rainfall amounts are going to be heaviest on the eastern side of the peninsula because remember, the showers and storms are building east during the peak heating of the afternoon, and we'll get some sea breeze collisions like we did earlier today. Wedgefield, 92 before the storms get going. Winter Garden, 92, down towards Point Siena, coming in at about 92 degrees. Towards the coast we head, upper 80s to around 90. North and west, as the clouds and showers get in a little bit earlier, we'll be running in the low 90s. All right, here's the setup now for the upcoming weekend. There will be afternoon showers and storms both Saturday and Sunday, but we're going to be watching and monitoring now this front. It's going to kind of stall out, but will likely get just close enough to central Florida to keep what is now Invest 94 and Umberto just to the east of central Florida. We showed you those computer model tracks and trends tonight, and perfectly placed and very close to where the European computer model is moving it. In fact, let's go ahead to Monday. That's going to be just east of us, rough surf for sure, and then heading up to the Carolinas. The big developing story up north will be the risk for some significant rain and potential flooding. All right, here's Invest 94. You can see lots of showers and storms right over Hispaniola. Our polygon does show a very high likelihood that this could be upgraded to a potential tropical cyclone or even a tropical depression come tomorrow night. You can see winds are at 30 miles an hour. It's moving to the northwest at 13. So it has slowed down a little bit. In case you missed the models at the top of the show, there's 1 o'clock on Saturday. Right there, the central northern Bahamian Isles. And then just east of central Florida here, sometime Sunday night on into Monday, and then Monday night and Tuesday potentially making landfall up there in the Carolinas. A track like that would still give us some rough surf and potential squalls if the storm can widen and broaden on out. There's Umberto right now. You can see this is going to become a major hurricane by the time we head into the upcoming weekend. And very good model tracks just to the west there of Bermuda, that little black dot right there. That's the tiny island country there. And when you look at the models side by side, back to back, very good agreement here on both of these features. One in the North Carolina, South Carolina, the other just to the south and west there of Bermuda. So with that being said, I think the biggest concern for us is going to be surf and some coastal beach erosion. 7-day forecast now right around 90, right through the middle of next week.